This is a practice exercise video solution. For this practice, we'll get started with the supplied dataset edit model-pe.f3d. We're going to navigate to Generative Design, and we want to make sure that we start a new structural component. We'll create the study and then navigate to Edit Model. Inside of Edit Model, we want to use Remove Features. We'll select the entire body and note all the features that are currently highlighted. We're going to deselect the Select All option, and we want to take a look at just fillets and chamfers. If we increase the slider to the right, make sure that we grab all of them, we can select Delete. This will remove all fillets and chamfers from this design, so we have a simplified version that can be used for preserves or obstacles. We'll select Close, we'll finish Edit Model, and then make sure that we save the design.